I am Engineer Marizen Contreras, and I'm a registered professional industrial engineer. So I belong to the mechanical engineering department of the University of Batangas, and I am a full-time associate professor here, and I spent my graduate studies at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, and currently I'm on my dissertation writing. Okay, and then as per my research, so I am a part of the ethics committee of the research department of the University of Batangas, and I am also serving as a session chairs for different international conferences, and also as an accreditor and auditor of different organizations. So I have published two researches. One in a Scopus Index journal, and the other one is in our journal here at the university. Okay, so yes, of course. I've been recommending this STRA and also Terra to my friends, that they can present, they can showcase their researches here at STRA and Terra.
Thank you, ma'am.
First, how many years? I think I joined STRA 2018. From then, I have attended the conference in Bangkok on site, and then I have attended this conference at Hong Kong, on site also, and then the online conference last. The first one was at Myeongdong, and then I've been attending your conferences ever since. And I think it's more advantageous for me because of the location, of the expenses, and I think having this broadcasted live at Facebook,
yes,
it's very good.
Mm-hmm.